Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm filming a full face makeup tutorial using only drugstore products, and it's been long overdue since I last filmed a video like this. So I'm super excited to jump into these products and just use all drugstore products. To be honest, I don't use a lot of drugstore products, sadly, but I do incorporate a lot of drugstore products into my makeup routine, and I do own some drugstore products. So let's go ahead and jump into this video because I'm super excited to use these products. And a lot of these products are not new, so they're not really like new products, but they're just products that I do own in my makeup collection, and I just want to create a look using these products. And yeah, without further ado, if you guys would like to see me create a makeup look using these drugstore products, then please continue watching. Put this little head thing on my face so it doesn't block my face. And I look creepy AF, as you guys can probably see on here. But I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can look into my beautiful bare face. Alrightios, I am zoomed in, and I am going to create a look for you guys. And I am going to first prime my eyes because if you guys don't know, I do my eyes first. And I will be going in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. So I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. And put some on my other eyes. So for the eyes, I got two little palettes. So I have the Wet n Wild Color Icon. I'll be using this C759 Comfort Zone palette is what I'm assuming. And there are some pretty cute shades in there that I will be using. And then I'll have the City Mini palette with Shayla. So super cute. This is like such an old collab. Like, she already came out with another collab with ColourPop, and maybe I should have waited for that one. Be incorporating the two palettes, and I am going to start off with the Wet n Wild one. And not really sure what I'm going for, but in my head I really want like a purple, like pinky eye look, because my lips is going to be pink as well, so it's going to be kind of like a monochromatic pinky look. So yeah, I just want to go into this pink one right here. So this is, I'm not really sure if there's even a name for this one, but it's on the back here, shows that it's color, I mean it's number 10. So yeah, number 10 it is, right on the crease. Yeah, for the outer corner, I'm thinking about using this black. I really wanted to use this brown shade from the Shayla palette in Maybelline, but I want to create like a halo look. And I really want to go into this shade right here, but those two are really similar. So I think I'm going to go in with the black one. We shall see how it goes. Ooh, yeah. I said I wanted to create like a pink mauve tone look, and it just became like a smoky eye look. And I saved the center of my lids, as you can see on here, for the center color. I'm going to be going back into the Makeup Revolution. I keep saying Makeup Forever, but Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. I'm gonna blend it out. Of that. Should I go in with that purple shade or the pink shade? Go ahead and go into that shade. I guess this is shade 5. Yeah, 5. And oh, okay. It's a little bit dark. Let's try to salvage this with this pink shade instead. Yeah. looks like I can cover it a little bit of it. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's not as pink as I wanted it to be on the other side. The outer corners. Alright, so this is what I have for the eyes so far. But let's just go ahead and start doing the face right now. I'm really disappointed in this one. I got this Pixie makeup fixing mist. So I was going to use this as a primer as well, but this nasal is just really sucks. Oh, it's just like spitting on me. For foundation, I have the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Just gonna put it on my face. I'm actually enjoying this foundation. Yes, I've already tried it. And I actually really like this foundation. Coverage is pretty good. And the staying power of this foundation is quite good as well. Like when I wear it throughout the whole day, it actually like lasts a whole day. So foundation is on, and I really think this foundation looks super nice on my skin. We are going in with the concealer once again, and we are going to conceal this face. And I am in love with this concealer. I think it's such a good concealer for this price. I think I got it for like $6 or $7. And a lot of people will rave about it and say that it's like the Tarte Shape Tape, and I agree. It's really good at blending out underneath, guys. Just put the rest on my forehead, my nose. And then hello, powder time. So I have the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin. I'm like so close to running out of this. Oh, so I would have to go and purchase a new one. Alright, now the forehead. My forehead creases so much. Sucks. Going back to my Wet n Wild contouring palette. Hello, you see that? You see that? I've actually stopped using this because I've been using other products. But for this video, of course, I'm going back into my contour palette. I'm actually going to be bronzing my skin, so I will be going into the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. Looks like this. I think it's a little bit too light for my skin, but it should be okay. We'll make it work. And it smells like a dream. It smells so, so good. But it's perfectly okay, because I could see it bronzing my skin a little bit right here. What's this? Going on to the brows now. I know I do my makeup so strangely. Like, didn't finish the eyes, went on to the face, now doing brows. I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. Alright, brows are done. I am going to finish off with a liner. And I will be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. give it a good shake. So thin. Oh, yeah. I really don't like this at all. This is so hard to control. I feel like I have to keep dipping back in for color to show. Time for some lashes, and going in with the Whaley and Elf collaboration. These are the Luxe Lash Kit. Super cute. Alright, so lashes are on. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of the eyes. I'm just gonna go back into that transition shade. Then let's go into that shade that we originally wanted to use. Let's go ahead and put that, because I don't really want to use the black underneath. It's going to be a little bit too dark, so I think adding this one is the right amount of smokiness underneath the eyes. And then go in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. The lower lashes. Because you know I ain't got any lashes right there. And then for the inner corner, I want to go in with this nice gold shade from the Maybelline and Shayla palette. Oh yeah, pop in. We go in with some highlighting, and I have the Wet n Wild highlighter powder and the shade Precious Petals. And it's starting to show off by like really scraping at it. Put the color to show. The nose, get that nose highlight. And then lastly, of course, we are going to finish with the lips. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade Seductress. Go into my NYX Dewy Finish spray instead. Alright, and this concludes the makeup look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. Like really, my eyes actually turned out to be a little bit more smoky than I wanted to, but you know, makeup, it never goes as planned, you know. Like once you start blending stuff in together, it just becomes this whole new different masterpiece. So I'm just going to embrace it because I actually really like it. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and thank you all so much for constantly loving and supporting my channel. I don't have anything else to say, but I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.